Hi guys, it's Risa. So what's for lunch? Well, another idea is I take a nice big container and I shredded up some romaine lettuce. I cut up some nice yellow peppers, some red peppers. I buy them at Costco. Buy a big bag, then you have them for several days. Some orange pepper, some cucumbers, and if you can see, some shredded carrot, okay? And I like to have this. This will be for a few days because I like eating the same thing. I like to change things up, but I like to have the same thing for a few days, okay? And then I don't have to think about it. So what am I going to have in the salad? Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to have, I have a tin of tuna. And I just sprinkled in some red peppers and just some pepper because I like it a little spicy. And that's it. And I have some shrimp. Okay, so I bought this at Costco, and I bought the tins of tuna at Costco. So you can buy whatever kind you like. I like the white in water because there's less fat, of course, with no oil, right? Of course, right. Now, what could I put on top of it? Well, you can put any dressing or no dressing if you don't want to. If you put mayonnaise already in your tuna, then you don't really need extra dressing. But I don't do that. I just add it to the salad. And I love this Bolt House Farms dressing. This one is a creamy balsamic. I make a lot of dressings too, so that's an option. And you can even put a little bit of apple in if you want. Now, for some crunch, this is the great thing that I love to do, is I have some Melba toast. This is sesame seed flavor, great flavor, and I just like to break it up and put it in also to act like croutons. And even if you use 3 slices, it's only 1 smart point. Okay, so on Lifestyle, you can have 2 tablespoons is 1 smart point, and everything else you're just counting is the Melba toast, okay? So that's another option. So I'm just going to assemble it. Just take my fork, put my bowl up here. Here, let me see if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking some. The thing is that if you've noticed, I put the vegetables on the top. I didn't mix the vegetables in because I find that when you do that, if you have a lot of vegetables mixed into your salad, they get kind of soggy, and I like things very crunchy. So I like to put it on top, and then they last nice big salad. And I'm going to add some of my tuna. Take my hair out of my mouth. Usually I wear it up when I'm at work because I work with kids with autism and they like to grab. They're very sensory. And then I'm going to put in my shrimp. And I have a huge meal with lots of high protein. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my dressing. I'm going to measure out a tablespoon. And put that in and mix that up. Really easy. This is just another idea. If you don't want Melba toast and you want to have some crackers or you want to have a bagel, you can make that 2-ingredient bagel. I'm going to be making it soon, I promise. You can have a wrap with it. Anything. In fact, you can take this and put it in a wrap. I know. So many things you can do. You just have to be creative, okay? But this is just easy, which is what I like. And I'll just take some of my Melba toast. And I bought this at the low-carb grocery store here in Canada. But guys, you can buy Melba toast anywhere. Most grocery stores sell it, okay? But check the nutritional value, okay? Because this is 2 smart points. They vary. So make sure you have your calculator. And I'm just going to break up some into some pieces. And now I have my delicious and nutritious, high protein, low fat, low carb lunch. Yay! So I think that you could really enjoy this. I know you will. And again, you can add whatever protein you want. Add chicken meat, add turkey meat, anything, salmon, tofu. So that's my tip for having a delicious, really delicious. I think I'm going to save my apple for dessert. So you have a well-balanced meal with your tons of veggies, protein, some carb, and a little bit of fat from your dressing. Right? Delicious. So I hope this is helpful on your journey, and enjoy your salad. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. Okay? On Facebook. Bye guys. Love you.